Hello friends, in this video you will see some list operation. The main operations that can be performed on list are joining, replicating and slicing on list. To join list, plus operator is used. Which joins a list with another list. For example, here is variable lst1 which will store some list element, that is 10, 20 or 30. In the second variable which will store list2 equals to 30, 40 and 50. Now let's perform join operation with lst1. Use plus operator with lst2, so it will join your list. So here you can see the elements from list 1 and the elements from list 2, so both lists are concatenate here. So here you can see you can change the number of elements, even you can change the types. Here in list 1 the elements are in integers, and in list 2 elements are in a string. So similar you can perform list joining. For replication a list you can use asterisk symbol. For example, here is my variable lst1, the elements are 10, 20 or 30. Now replicate this list 1 with 2, so it will display your list elements 2 times. You can use 3 or 4 any elements, so it will display your list up to 3 times. And using slicing operator, as we have done earlier, you can perform slicing using this colon. So it will extract your list elements from index position 1 to 2 and -1, that is 2. So it will display elements at index position 1 and 2 only, that is 20 or 30. So these are the main operations which we can perform on list. First is joining, replication and slicing on list. Thank you, and in the next video we will see how we can use list functions. Thanks for watching the video.